How's it guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make this little tech deck rail. I love skating this thing. I made it today. So we're going to make one with a black handle. So you got to grab yourself a cabinet handle from Builder's Warehouse. Pretty easy to find, just ask someone. Comes with 2 screws, they're $30, and then you got to get yourself a piece of wood. They don't sell short pieces of wood, they only sell like a 2 meter, that's 150 rand. So if you want to make 1 rail, it's 180 rand. If you want to make 2 rails, it's going to be like 210 rand. You could probably make about, I don't know how many, but quite a few, yeah. The piece of wood is about 6 centimeters this way, 3 centimeters this way. You just got to measure the length of the handle, or you can mark it with a pen or something, but this piece of wood is 20 centimeters, which is pretty much the same size as the rail's going to be. I'll show you the rest now, just putting it together. So guys, here we have the rail aligned in the center. It doesn't go over the edges because we've got the cutting right, but you got to push that screw in pretty hard so that you don't have to drill. It probably will be better if you do drill, but I like to keep it simple. It seems to be going in. It is going in skew, but it might come right. It might come right. Oh, there we go. No drill needed when you've got a bit of strength. And then the other side, obviously, we're going to do it the same way. These rails and boxes you can customize them. If you've got some cool stickers, you could definitely like pop some all around the piece of wood or paint the piece of wood, but obviously the point of the thing is to keep it cheap. But I see Take-A-Lot are also selling some pretty cool stickers right now. You could probably grab some there. Right guys, the rail is ready to jam. There's some 50s, some 5s. What's that called? Crook? No, crooked grind. Wall slide. Toe slide. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it guys.